going on, guys? My name's Outer Rim and welcome back to another video. So anyway, in today's video we have another unboxing. I was going to move the location of this unboxing to somewhere else, but it turned out it was just the time of day. The lighting wasn't great in the last one, but hopefully this lighting looks better. But anyway, today we are going to be unboxing the American Eagle Gemini Jets CRJ-200. I've got this on eBay. It was a little more expensive than retail price, but this is an older model, so I think it was worth it. But anyway, let's go ahead, break into the packaging, and see how good this model is. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it up. And as you can see there, open up this little bit of packaging right here. And here is the model. Go ahead and set that right there while I move this packaging out of the way. And this does look absolutely incredible. Does not have rolling landing gear because this is a slightly older release, but looks absolutely amazing. Let's go ahead and get started right here at the front. So as you can see, we have the cockpit windows, the L1 door front landing gear. Not very detailed, but that's because this is an older model. It does look very good though. Windows, the American Eagle logo, that really nice logo. The emergency exit door there, the registration N428AW. I think that's what it says. It's very small. This does have winglets, and then those engines, and then that very nice American Airlines tail. Always love that. See, Gemini Jets logo there on the bottom. There's a little peg so you can put it in the stand. Obviously it does not come with a stand. And then other side, same as the other side, just like flipped basically. So anyway, everyone, I'd just like to thank you all for watching. If you did enjoy the video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and if you have time, comment down below if you do want to see more unboxings like this. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you later. Goodbye.